Alright, so we're going to start by assembling the beater shaft. First step, we lubricate on the inside here on the white, and that sits on the end. And then we have our blades. Okay, one blade on the top, one blade on this side. Now, important to note here, our blades have a slot and a dot. We want to make sure that once a month we're rotating our blades. Okay, so that we're scraping on both sides. You'll get a lot more use out of your blades. And then at the end of the year, toss your blades, put your replacements in. Okay, the final step here is the breaker bar. This goes through the chute here, locks in there. Okay, this is our full assembly. And again, every month we're going to rotate these. If for some reason you do this, okay, the beater shaft will not go in, so you'll know that you did something incorrectly. Okay, we now take our beater shaft, we bring it over to our machine, and again, the blades are at 12 and 6, so we're sliding on the skis here. We're going to push forward and rotate. As we rotate, we're pushing, and you want to feel it lock in the back. You'll know it's locked in because you can't turn this anymore. So the